In this video, we are going to show you the top 8 wireless video doorbells in the marketplaces. We have selected them based on their quality, performance, and price. We've made the research for sufficient time to find out them. If you are trying to find out which wireless video doorbell is the best, here is the video for you. Stay with the video till last. After watching this video, you can simply pick the right one. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. So, let's start. Starting of our list at number 8, Anbuzz 2.4G Wireless Door Phone Doorbell. This doorbell offers some excellent features including unlock, surveillance, hands-free call, and talk, etc. Designed with a 7-inch color digital display that can be installed on the wall. The display is water-resistant and durable, featuring clear eye night vision and high-sensitivity touch key. The most important features are, 1 key unlocks, night vision, voice intercom, game time monitoring. Number 7 inches our list, EKEN Smart Wireless Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. Provides a 1080p HD real-time view with night vision mode that switched automatically. When any motion is detected, it will deliver a real-time notification wherever you are. There is the facility of two-way talk and it offers lifetime free cloud storage. It is designed with a nightlight receiver. The most important features are, easy installation, 166 wide viewing angle, two-way talk, nightlight receiver. Number 6 inches our list, IPVQI Video Doorbell Wireless Doorbell. You can anything in front of the door properly with its 166 wide-angle view lens. For a clear view at night, the advanced IR LED light switched automatically. You will get a notification in your phone for any movement in front of the door with PIR motion detection. The most important features are, wide-angle lens, IR night vision, HD video, PIR motion detection. At number 5, Zoomable Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. You will find almost each and every useful feature with this wireless video doorbell. It offers voice messages and two-way audio as it is designed with a speaker and microphone. It is weatherproof and features a dual storage option. There are an activated motion sensor alert and alarm plan. You can use silent mode as well. The most important features are, wide angle, smart vision, rechargeable battery, dual storage option. Here is the item number 4, GRE Video Doorbell Camera Wireless. It's an ultra-low power consumption option that features standby sleep mode to ensure long battery life. Works with powerful functions and it can push real-time messages. You can monitor from anywhere due to the facility of remote monitoring. Features multiple alarm and long battery life. The most important features are, wide-angle camera, smart night vision, cloud storage, full HD video. The item number 3, RCA Doorbell Video Ring Security Camera. Suitable for any weather and exterior. Offering free video recording with the included 16GB microSD card when it is compatible with 128GB. It features night vision and 180 vertical field of view. Installation is very easy and included everything that needs to install. There are facilities for live streaming and two-way talking. The most important features are, night vision, 3MP Ultra HD video, free video recording, easy installation. Number 2 inches our list, Eufy Security Wi-Fi Video Doorbell. One of the best wireless video doorbells that are able to provide crystal clear 2K images. It works with 4:3 aspect ratio for large viewing areas even the top to bottom. It can provide you a clear view of both day and night. It delivers facial snapshots so that you can know who is at the door. The most important features are, smart detection zone. Interaction made easy. See the whole picture. 2K resolution. The top 1 inch our list, Ring Video Doorbell Pro. The most reliable and popular wireless video doorbell available in the market. This 1080p HD video doorbell offering two-way talking, monitoring from anywhere, and so on. offering non-stop power and non-stop security. For constant power, you can connect this doorbell to the existing doorbell wiring. Features advanced motion detection and interchangeable faceplate. The most important features are, works with Alexa, advanced motion detection, non-stop power, interchangeable faceplates. Check the description for links to find out the price of the items included in this video. Hope you found this video helpful to find out the best wireless video doorbells amongst a lot of items. If you found this helpful, please give a like. Comment your valuable opinion and tell us which one is perfect for you. Subscribe to our channel to get the latest updates on different product reviews.